Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Yoga Pro 7. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're watching this video, it's likely that your screen is cracked and you're struggling to use your device properly. This issue can occur due to accidental drops, pressure, or even manufacturing defects. If left unrepaired, a cracked screen can lead to further damage, such as malfunctioning touch response, which can hinder your ability to use the laptop effectively. Now, let's gather the tools needed for this repair. You will require a precision screwdriver set, a plastic opening tool, a suction cup, tweezers, and a replacement screen specifically for the Lenovo Yoga Pro 7. Ensure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small components. To begin the repair, power off your device and disconnect it from any power source. Using the precision screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop. Be sure to keep track of these screws, as they can vary in size. Carefully use the plastic opening tool to pry open the back panel. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the casing. Once the back panel is off, locate the screen connector, which is usually found near the top edge of the device. Gently disconnect the cable using your tweezers, being cautious to avoid any nearby components. Now, identify the cracked screen. You will need to remove the screws securing the screen to the frame. Again, take care to keep these screws organized. Once the screws are out, use the suction cup to lift the screen gently away from the frame. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. With the cracked screen removed, take your new replacement screen and align it carefully with the frame. Reconnect the screen cable, ensuring a snug fit. Once connected, secure the new screen with the screws you previously removed. Now, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it carefully and press down until it clicks into place. Replace all the screws you removed earlier, making sure they are tightened but not overly so, to avoid damaging the casing. Finally, power on your Lenovo Yoga Pro 7 and check that the new screen is functioning correctly. You should now have a fully operational device. To prevent this issue from occurring again, consider using a protective case or screen protector. Being mindful of where you place your device can also go a long way in preventing accidental damage. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair, and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.